Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you the new app drawer search improvements on One UI 8.0. Search results are now organized into categories like apps, contacts, settings, files, screenshots, and downloads. So the search panel also expands and collapses more smoothly. So here's an example. We'll go ahead and do a search. We'll go ahead and do a search on, let's say, a dog. So this will now search for a dog in my settings, in documents, in web searches, in YouTube. I can tap on show more, and this will basically look through all this calendar, my Galaxy Watch 6 Manager, in gallery, in tips, in widgets, in Spotify. I can go ahead and collapse any of them, and this will show me more. So finding what you need is faster than ever. Whether it's an app, a saved document, or even a screenshot, the new search system helps you get there instantly without endless scrolling. So there you go guys, that is a new app drawer search improvement on One UI 8.0. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.